So I'm probably going to be in some trouble for posting this video, but I really don't know what else to do. I just got to get it out there. It's something that's been growing on me for months. It's been getting bigger and bigger. I was showing it to my fiance and it was getting even too big for her. So that's when I had the idea to come show you. Now, my fiance has asked me not to do this. In fact, she has strictly prohibited me from posting my package to the internet. But like I said, it's getting to be so massive that people are starting to notice it. They're starting to ask me questions about it. And it's starting to get a little uncomfortable. So I figured at this point, I might as well just put it all out there, completely expose myself, and show everybody on the internet my package. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan. Here's my channel, James Jernigan, SEO and Digital Marketing. And today I'm going to be showing you my huge Throbbing bonus. Of course, I'm talking about Groovefunnels, a Groovefunnels bonus. So let's get right into it. Don't be mad at me, but here's what I want to show you today. Surprise! I want to show you how to create and clone unlimited websites, but not just websites. I want to show you how to create unlimited digital products, and unlimited online stores, and unlimited online courses, and how to create unlimited content using AI, using artificial intelligence. Now, I want to show you how to get all of this set up this week. I know that sounds like a lot, and I know I'm moving fast, but stick with me. I'm also going to show you how to rank all of this on the first page of Google so that you can start getting free traffic to your websites, to your products, to your stores, to your courses. Whatever you're going to do with this information I'm putting out there, right, is up to you. I just want to show you how it all works. So the main thing I want to show you here is how to reach over 1 million people this year with your websites, with your products, with your stores, with your courses, with whatever it is you do. And I want to show you how to do all this using a single platform that has no monthly fees, no confusing integrations that you have to set up. It's all just one platform, no month-long challenges that you're going to have to attend, and no upsells disguised as webinars. I don't know about you guys, but I hate that when someone tells you they're going to teach you some valuable information and then you sit there for an hour and listen to them sell to you. No, we're not doing that. This is going to be super easy. So doing what I'm about to show you helped me reach over 1 million people with my content in the first year. So here's a screenshot I took just before I hit 1 million impressions on YouTube, and this is just YouTube. I've also got dozens of websites and other social media accounts. So this is 1 million people on one platform in the first year. Now, what I'm about to show you has also gotten me over $5,000 worth of free traffic to one of my websites every single month. Here's a screenshot I took from SEMrush yesterday that says if I were to buy the traffic coming to one of my blogs, it would cost $5.6 thousand a month. So that's over $50,000 a year in free traffic coming to just one of my websites, thanks to what I'm going to show you here in this video. So in addition to that, it's also helped me make over $10,000 passively with digital products and affiliate sales. So there is a catch, and I need you to understand this. There's a catch that goes along with this. So here's what it is. There's a few of them actually. First of all, obviously, you're going to need the tool, right? If you were to go out and start mining for gold, would you just start digging in the ground with your bare hands, or would you show up with some tools? You might have a shovel, you might have a pickaxe, you might have a bobcat machine to help you dig, right? Or maybe you have some dynamite. So that's what I want to show you here, how to use dynamite to get the gold. So what you need to understand as well is this will not last forever. Few good things do, right? It's going to go away, and it's going to go away shortly, so I need you to pay attention. So another thing you need to understand is this is a business, not a hobby, right? Hobbies are things like going fishing, going roller skating, playing golf. Things like that are hobbies. This is not a hobby. This is a business. We're doing it to make money, not have fun. You might have fun, but I need you to understand that what I'm talking about here is a business. So the next thing you need to understand is that you need to actually repeat the process, not just learn it, right? It's not like we're going to watch a handful of videos and then boom, there's going to be money in my account. No, we got to watch the videos, we got to put in the work, then we get the money. So The last thing I need you to understand is I am not responsible if you end up getting addicted to passive income and never want to work another day in your life. I know that sounds silly, but I want to show you what I'm talking about. I used to have to work all day at a job for this much money, $98. Now that's not a ton of money, but you can see this is a screenshot I took today, and I actually woke up to these sales, to $98 worth of sales. So last night, like many other nights, I literally got paid while sleeping. Almost the same amount of money that I used to have to work an entire 8-hour day at a job I didn't really care for to make. So over the past 2 weeks, that's translated into $499 worth of sales from my simple digital products. Now again, while $499 in 2 weeks might not be a ton of money, the fact is I made this money without requiring a single minute worth of work. That means I made $499 in the past 2 weeks working 0 hours and 0 minutes. That's what I want to make clear here with what I'm showing you here. And it may sound complicated, but in fact it is very simple. All we're doing is creating a product, or even if we don't create it, in the case of affiliate marketing, we're taking somebody else's product, right? That's the gift. We're posting this product to Google and to social media and doing it in such a way that it attracts massive amounts of people. Now, what I'm talking about broken down is called a sales funnel. And here's how a sales funnel works. So this is the dashboard of the tool that we are going to be using here. And it has all these different apps within it. So I want to show you how this translates into making money online. So like I said, the traffic is going to be coming from Google search results and social media. Between these two platforms, there are billions, almost 5 billion people using these two platforms. So what we want to do is create a blog so that people who are searching Google and people who are scrolling social media find our blog. And the way we're going to do that is by using keywords that make it show up on Google and by simply posting it to social media. So then we have people searching Google, we have people scrolling along on social media, and they find our blog. So what happens next? They start reading the blog, they see a post they like, and they decide to click a link. That link is going to take them over to your landing page, which we set up here in this app, Groove Pages. We've set up our blog in Groove Blog. Now we have a landing page set up in Groove Pages. So the person was scrolling Google or scrolling social media, they found our blog, they decided it was something they were interested in, so they've now clicked over to the landing page. Well, the next thing that happens is most people don't buy something the very first time they come to your website. I don't know about you, but do you usually buy stuff from a website the first time you click on it, or do you go shop around, compare products, maybe research the company, whatever, right? So with that said, now that we know that, what we want to do is collect their email address. So on our landing page, we have a simple email opt-in that says, hey, put your email in the box. And when people do, boom. Now what happens is we put them into a sequence of automated messages. These are messages that we have pre-written ahead of time that are going to go out at certain time frames, right? You might send the person an email every day. You might send them one every week or every other day. Whatever setting you want, this is what's going on here. I hope this is making sense so far. People are scrolling the internet, right? Scrolling social media, searching Google. They find our blog. They come over, they visit our landing page. They don't buy anything yet, but they give us their email. So now they have emails going out to them on a regular basis, encouraging them to come back and buy our products. So you can see how the flow of this works here. We've created a blog, we're getting traffic from Google, sending it to our landing page, collecting emails, retargeting people so that they come back and buy our products. It's very simple when it's broken down that way, right? So to make this even easier, I've broken the entire process down into 8 simple tutorials. And altogether, these are maybe a couple hours long, but the steps you're going to need to follow are buying a domain. That's the first video. The second video shows you how to build your actual website. The third video shows you how to create your products and get them all set up. The fourth video shows you how to link your affiliate portal. This is something I haven't mentioned, but with creating these unlimited digital products, I'm also going to show you how to create your own affiliate programs. And if you're new to all of this, don't worry. All that means is commission-only salesperson. So what that means in the sense of your products, say you have a digital product that you sell for $10. What you can do is create an affiliate program that offers somebody 10% for referring new customers to you. So literally what that looks like is they get what's called an affiliate link. They share that link on their social media profile or in an email or in a text message to one of their friends, however they share the link. If someone buys your $10 product through that link, they earn 10%. So they'll get $1 for every sale they refer to you, and that's what I show you how to set up in this video. The next video is how to set up your email opt-in and automation so that when people come to your website, they can give you your email. And not only that, but then you can have automated sequences of emails going out to them on a regular basis that you don't have to sit and type out manually one by one. I'm then going to show you how to set up your blog. Like I said, we're going to need a blog to start getting free traffic from Google and social media. I'm going to show you how to automate your content using artificial intelligence so that you don't have to sit down and manually make it and waste a bunch of time, right? We can just use computers for that now. And then I'm going to show you how you can make money linking to my product. So you can skip the entire product creation process. If you don't have your own product, you don't want to create your own product, you can't be bothered, I'm going to show you how to make money linking to my products or linking to anybody else's products that you want. Whatever products you already use or whatever creators you want to support, I'm going to show you how to monetize these unlimited websites just by linking to other people's products. And the reason I set all of this up is so that you can be totally finished in just a few hours. Now I'm going to give you all of this. So I'm also going to give you an exact copy of my website, word for word, picture for picture, the entire thing, right? And if you want to check it out, the website is groovesetup.com. You will instantly be getting a clone of this website. So then literally all you have to do is change the text and the images and you're ready to rock, right? You change the text, you change the images, you link to whatever product you want, whether it's yours or somebody else's, and boom, you're ready to go. So to just get the juices going here, get you thinking, you could use this to sell books, right? You could sell ebooks, you could sell courses or videos, you could sell templates, really any kind of download you can sell with this, as well as physical products. And that could be either physical products that you have in-house that you handle, or it could be physical products that you drop ship directly from a manufacturer. You could also use what I'm going to show you here to sell services, whether you have online digital marketing services or maybe you have physical services. Maybe you do landscaping or you clean houses or you detail cars, whatever it is. If you have a service, you will be able to sell your service using this system. You'll be able to sell your products using this system. You'll be able to sell other people's products, digital products. Literally anything your brain can think up, you will be able to sell with this system I'm showing you here. So with that said, I personally recommend selling digital products and affiliate offers. So why is that? There's a few reasons that I want to share here with you. First of all, with digital products and affiliate offers, you set it up once and there's literally no maintenance. Once you're done setting it up, that's it. Which brings me to the second point. One click and the transaction is over. It's automated delivery. Computers are doing the work for you. So that's why I love digital products and affiliate offers. Another reason is there's no upfront cost. There's no handling or logistics. There's literally no work to do once you finish setting it up. You can scale digital products indefinitely, which means you'll never run out of stock. It's just a file, right? A file can be duplicated as many times limitlessly. So you'll never have to say, oh, sorry, you can't buy this today, we're out of stock. No, right? You just have unlimited copies, you're good to go. So another reason I like digital products and affiliate offers is you can create new ones every day. Remember, this only takes a couple hours. I have 8 videos that walk you through the entire process to get your website, your products, everything set up in just a couple hours. So that means you'll be able to create new ones every single day. Now, remember, I said this is a business, which means it takes work. You absolutely can set this up in a few hours, 100%. However, getting traffic and making sales requires staying consistent. It's not an overnight process, right? That's what I meant by saying we're not just going to watch the videos and wake up to money, right? We have to watch the videos, we have to follow the steps and repeat the process, and then we get the money. So that's why I said learning the process is not enough. You actually have to do it. You have to repeat the process. So to make absolutely sure this works for you, I'm not only going to give you a copy of my website and over-the-shoulder tutorials of how I set up the entire thing, I'm also going to walk you through the first 7 days of promoting your new money-making website or your digital products or your physical products and show you how to flood that website with unlimited free traffic. And I'm going to do that by giving you access to my 7-day SEO training, which has already helped hundreds of beginners get their websites showing up on Google. All right, that's what we want to do, right? So basically, if I gave you a copy of my website, detailed videos showing you exactly how I made that website, and a week of training that shows you how to get unlimited traffic, all for free, would you give it a shot? Let me see your package comment down below this video if you want to see my package and you're willing to give it a shot. So if you want me to show you how to get your hands on this throbbing bonus, like I said, let me see your package down below and I'll show you. Beware, there's something you need to understand. Anyone who says they aren't interested in making money online while they sleep would lie about other things too, okay? And I have this picture here because this is what I used to do. I used to work for UPS delivering packages. I used to work 8, 10, sometimes 11 hours a day driving around a truck in hot 90, 100 degree weather all the way down to cold, below freezing weather in the winter. And I can tell you that making the same amount of money while I'm sleeping is 100, if not 1,000 times better. So with that said, here is how to claim your bonus. It's very simple. There's 3 steps. The first step is click the link right down below this video, or you can visit howtorank.com/software and sign up for your free account. That is the first step, so I highly recommend you do this now. Like I said, this is not going to be available forever, so go ahead and click the link down below to sign up for your free account. Step 2. The next thing you need to do is log in and upgrade your account before February 22nd. So on February 22nd, this lifetime offer for Groovefunnels is going away and it will never exist again. And the only way you're going to be able to use the tools that I'm showing you here is to pay every single month. So what I'm trying to get across to you is that if you upgrade your account before February 22nd, you're going to be able to create unlimited websites, unlimited products, unlimited stores, unlimited courses, and get a whole bunch more features that, again, are never going to exist after February 22nd. After that, you're going to have to pay each and every single month you want to use this stuff. So this is a great opportunity to get all of this, not only all of the tools you need that are inside of Groovefunnels, right? The dynamite that we're going to use to get to the gold, but you're going to get all of my training included for free. So the final step is to check your email. Your bonus will be delivered automatically when you upgrade, but it's very important that you use the link down below this video to upgrade if you want to get your free bonus, your free Groove Setup course, and your free 7-day How to Rank on Google SEO training. So with that said, if you have already upgraded and you still want this information, you can get the Groovefunnels 1-day setup course at groovesetup.com, and you can get my 7-day SEO training at howtorank.com. So there it is, my great, big, huge package, my throbbing Groovefunnels bonus. I hope this helps. If you're looking forward to it, then like I said, click the link down below, upgrade your account before February 22nd, and I will give you both my Groove Setup course and my 7-day How to Rank SEO training completely free, because I want this to work for you. I want you to be able to make money while you're sleeping instead of whatever it is you have to spend all day doing now, because like I said, I used to drive a truck for UPS, sometimes 10, 11 hours a day. Sometimes 5, 6, almost, in fact, always 5 or 6 days a week. And now, like I said, I wake up to the same amount of money almost on a daily basis from work I did a long time ago. And like I said, anybody who says they don't want that, watch out, because they'll lie to you about other stuff too. So other than that, I hope you guys take care. I hope this helps, and I can't wait to see your website on the first page of Google.